Did you know that one tiny cell in your body is basically a super-powered, shape-shifting, energy-packed mini-machine? Yeah, I'm talking about the sperm cell, the ultimate microscopic hero. Here's the wild part. A single sperm cell is only 50 micrometers long, that's 0.05 millimeters. But despite its tiny size, it has a head, a midpiece, and a tail, each with an insane job to do. The head carries your DNA, that's right, all your genetic instructions packed into a teeny little cap. And get this, it's covered with something called the acrosome, a chemical grenade that helps it break into an egg. Talk about explosive potential. The midpiece is the powerhouse. It's jam-packed with mitochondria, the energy factories of cells. This little battery pack fuels the tail so the sperm can swim up to 5 millimeters per hour. Sounds slow? Remember, it's microscopic. Relative to its size, that's like running a marathon in under a second. The tail, also called the flagellum, is the turbo engine. It twists and whips, propelling the sperm forward, like a rocket but in liquid. And here's something insane. Men can produce up to 1,500 sperm per second. That's almost 130 million sperm a day, each with a tiny chance to be the one that fertilizes an egg. Crazy odds. Sperm production only occurs optimally at about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius below core body temperature, which is why the testes are outside the body. And here's the wildest part. The sperm cell doesn't just fertilize the egg, it activates it, triggering a calcium wave that awakens the egg and begins human life at the cellular level. But life isn't easy for sperm. Most never make it past the acidic environment of the vagina or the twisty, narrow path of the fallopian tube. Only the strongest survive. It's basically an extreme obstacle course at a microscopic level. And sperm can get sick too. Problems like low motility, abnormal shapes, or DNA damage can stop the journey entirely. Scientists even study sperm to understand infertility and genetic diseases. Oh, and here's a fact you probably didn't know. Sperm were first seen under a microscope in the 1670s, and people thought they were tiny humans. Imagine thinking that every sperm was a little man. So the next time you think something tiny can't be powerful, remember the sperm cell. It's a microscopic athlete, energy generator, DNA carrier, and survival expert, all rolled into one. Sperm production is affected by excessive heat from hot baths, tight clothing, or long sitting, smoking, alcohol, stress, poor sleep, obesity, infections, and exposure to toxins damage sperm quality and DNA. Hormonal imbalance and poor nutrition also play a major role. The good news is that sperm health can be protected by keeping the testes cool, eating a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and zinc, exercising moderately, sleeping well, managing stress, avoiding smoking, and excess alcohol. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more insane science facts that will blow your mind.